Okay, so if you want to do some advertising, then you will go into the Create Ad menu option. In the Create menu option, you'll select whether you want to advertise on Google or on Facebook. So let's select Facebook. If you are in here for the first time, you have to connect your account first, and then you can select the account that you want to apply. Then the pages that you obviously manage will show up down here. In this case, let me choose the BanrAds Facebook page, and I want to select a ad account. If you got multiple, then you can select it. If you got one, that's there as well. I usually do that in my resource ad account. When you're doing this for the first time, you likely will create a campaign and create an ad group. So in this case, I'll create a campaign, BanrAds, and I'll add a budget. Let's say $20. Okay, so I've selected that. And so that's the BanrAds project I just created. I select that, and then I create an ad group. So that's the audience where I want to advertise to. So you give it a name, BanrAds, and then you select the country. Let's use United States. City, let's say Salt Lake. City in the United States. And then you can put a bid amount in here. Let's say I don't want to bid more than $1, right? So then what kind of a budget do you want to have? A daily budget or a lifetime budget? In this case, I check a daily budget. The budget amount that you have, let's say 5 per day, that is, right? If it would be a lifetime, it would be a budget for the lifetime. I want to do that. I say I just want to spend $100, that's it. Then you can say the age range. So that would be a minimum and a maximum. I don't have to do that if you don't want to. You can select the gender. You can include an audience. This is an audience that you've already created. If you want to select that, then you can do that, and you can say, you know, you want to include it or exclude certain audiences. You can do that here, and you can set the start date here. Let's say I want to start it today, and I want to stop it on Sunday here. So that's how you can add your ad group here, and this, you know, if you don't want to do it straight away, you can plan it from a certain date to a certain date. So here we are. So we select the ad group that we've just created, and we go next. And here is where we select the image, the banner that we've created. So for ads, that should be a squared one. So let's use this one. And then you put in your primary text. You will see that the primary text will go here. And then the headline that you can see here will go here. And then with your additional description will show up here. Okay, then you can see that the button can be learn more, donate. You can have several things up here. Just select the one that you'd like. Then the display link is most of the times your main domain. Okay, you don't need to use here the HTTP format. So once you've done that, it appears down here at your ad. In the preview itself, you won't see the animation. Okay, it's just a still preview. And then the link that you want to have people direct to when they click your ad, you put it down here. Once you've done that, you can do publish, and then it'll render your video, and then it'll publish it once it's accepted by Facebook as an ad. Once you're done that, you can see it in Managed Ads, and you can change the status from active to pause and pause to active, and you can even delete your ad if you'd like to. So now it's still in process, so this is a previous ad that I've created, but you will see it here. And that concludes the tutorial about creating your ads.